Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show how to make an anywhere Windows to go USB pen drive. Please note you need at least 32 GB USB to run smoothly. Also, this is only recommended if you really need a portable USB because it runs using a USB which makes it very slow. You can try it with a hard drive though. So without wasting time, let's start the video. First, let's make the bootable USB. You will need Rufus for this. I will add the download link in the description. Also, make sure that you have the Windows 10 ISO file. I will also leave the link for this in the description. After you are ready, follow the steps shown in the video. Don't forget to choose Windows to Go option or it will just be a standard installation USB. After you are done, click on the Start button and select which edition you want to install. You can activate it for free later. I will leave the link for the video on how to do it. After it starts, it will take a long time, so sit back and relax. Now insert the USB into your computer. Now go to your boot menu and select your USB. Well, there you go, we have finally booted in the USB, but now let's see how to boot this in newer laptops. This method for booting doesn't work for all devices. Let's see how to boot the USB in other devices. On the device you want to boot, go to Search and search for Windows to Go. Click on Change Windows to Go Startup Options, and then select Yes. You can turn this off later if you want. Now insert the USB and restart the PC. Yes, we have finally booted in the USB because we no longer see the Windows 11 loading. If you see this error, then follow the steps which I will show or just skip ahead. If you see this error, then press the Shift plus F10 key. When the command prompt pops out, type regedit and hit enter. Now when the registry editor pops out, go to Key Local Machine, System, Setup, Status, Child Completion. Now click on the D-word key of Setup and change the value to 3. Now close all windows and restart. And there we go. Now let's set this up.
Much later. Years later.
Sorry, but I couldn't show you guys the final product as I used a 16 gigabytes USB. It was very slow and laggy and the screen was black for a very long time, but yeah, this is the way you can do it. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, then like and share. If you have any doubt, then surely comment. Thanks for watching. See you next time.